Let's bring on board Kunal Bothra, Dr. C.K. Narayan, as well as Chandan Taparia to guide us through the levels that we need to keep an eye out on and their top bets. Dr. Narayan, you said yesterday that, we're waiting on the sidelines to pounce on the prey. So in the meantime, what is it that you're pouncing on by way of stock idea?
Good morning, Avan. Good morning, everybody. Yes, we are lying in wait within the tall prairie grass, as it were, like big cats, waiting for something to show up. And, the good part of the market is that something always does show up. So it's not as though we are ever going to go hungry. Now, I think for today, a couple of, young calves have strayed into our vision. And first of them is Tata Steel. I think metal stocks were in decent form yesterday, and Tata Steel, the leader of the pack, showed pretty good price action and finished the day pretty well too. And at this price of about 400, 404, I think the stock packs enough new momentum or additional momentum to carry it towards about 420 in the short run. So Tata Steel is the first of the ones that I may want to pounce on. I'll maintain a stop loss which should be about 6 to 7 rupees from my entry price as I seek out the target as mentioned. The second one is a younger prey, Federal Bank, which has again strayed into vision, and at the current levels with the rest of the banking pack now coming into fray. It was the turn of the private sector banks earlier. Now the action is spread to the PSU banks, and the other side banks have also picked up action. Fed Bank is among one of them. Stock has looked up nicely, now can be bought with a stop at about 85, aiming for a short-term price target at 91.
Federal Bank, those are the cars that Dr. Narayan has spotted. Meantime, Kunal, your top trading recommendations, given that the action was really confined to the broader universe yesterday.
So yes, Avan, good morning first of all to you and everyone. The action is a bit confined to the indices, and it's a very range-bound action for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now in that regards, we've seen that the action is more stock-specific and may not be sector-specific as well. In that regards, I'm suggesting a couple of buy calls. The first one is about Ashok Leyland. The stock looking extremely strong on the short to medium term charts. In fact, yesterday the stock managed to break convincingly above its 200-day moving average, also at a multi-swing resistance high as well. So I believe Ashok Leyland could be one of the stocks which can continue to move up higher, and especially on the back of some derivatives data as well, some open interest built up, some strong reading on that regards as well. So buy with a target of almost 86, 88, and stop loss to be kept at 78. The second would be a Bank of India. Now it's forming an interesting chart pattern. It's an inverse head and shoulder pattern on the daily charts. The neckline of this pattern is almost 72 to 72.5 on spot level. So another 1% higher from yesterday's closing, and I believe that the breakout of this inverse head and shoulder pattern could happen. This should lead to a very strong upside for Bank of India. So buy with an immediate target of almost 76 and stop loss to be kept at 68.
Okay, thanks for those ideas. Chandan Taparia also with us. Chandan, we're looking at a cautious trade setup this morning from the rest of the globe. In light of that, what are your top bets?
Yeah, good morning. Looking at the market, it has got stuck in a range from last 13 trading session. However, Bank is slightly outperforming. So I'll closely look at 30,800 level for the Bank Nifty till it holds, expecting some more up move in the Bank Nifty and selective trading ideas. Similarly, the 11,800 could act as a support in the Nifty index. Talking about the trading ideas, first it is buy on Tata Steel. Yesterday we have seen buying interest in most of the metal counter, and Nifty metal index itself has negated its lower lows formation. Talking about Tata Steel, it has given a consolidation breakout. We have seen some put writing activity at lower strike. So it looks quite strong with built up of long position, recommending to buy with a stop loss of 400, and Tata Steel can head towards 429, 430 level. Second trade, that is sell on Hero Moto. This stock has given a breakdown, making lower top, lower bottom. So expecting a downside target towards 2400. One can sell with a stop loss of 25.55 levels.